And Jesus said, I of my own self can do nothing. Now this was Jesus. Jesus couldn't get it done on his own by himself in a vacuum. So what's up with you? Why would you think that you could do anything significant, anything worth talking about on your own by yourself in a vacuum? It is not possible. This passage said to me some 40 years ago that we were born to network, that we were born to collaborate, that we were born to work with and through each other, that we were born to link together in a common bond of caring and sharing, that all good things are done through collaboration, through teamwork, through networking.